Look what came in the mail. Oh, yeah. And this is not officially an unboxing, but oh, what is that? That is some big ass pipes. Well, hello again. I decided to do another video about my Nissan, 2016 Nissan. We talked about doing a delete, and I wish I could turn this camera around. I didn't figure out how to do that yet. Anyway, so I bought the delete kit. I bought the Easy Link computer, and I don't know if you can see. I'm just gonna turn around so you can see behind me. I'm gonna let it auto adjust here. It's pretty washed out in it. There's the Nissan, and of course it's raining, and Kitty will not leave me alone. She's pets. This is my wife calls this one Dot or Dottie, Dot whatever. Every time I come out here to do a video, she's got to be at my feet or whatever. But anyway, I've got the Easy Link installed. I mean, it's just plug and play, right? Goes into the ODD port underneath, and that was fairly simple. Had to route one cable from the passenger side under the hood, you know, through a spare hole there into the dash, and got that hooked up. And then you basically download. I bought mine through GDP tuning, so there's, I don't know, 5 or 6 tunes already come with it. It's supposed to stop raining tomorrow, so I'm hoping, and because it's raining, I'm not at work. I got my job site shut down because of the rain, so that's why I went ahead and ordered the kit, because I saw like a couple of weeks where, hey, I might have some free time, and I don't really need the truck, you know, to drive to work, so I could go ahead and tear into it. So I'll add to the video, and of course I'll, you know, stitch it all together so it's one long video. But basically this is going to be over a couple of days, and I'll try to do some video of me taking the exhaust out and all that. It's like 3 bolts and a clamp. I mean, I think any of you could do it. If I could do it, any of y'all can do it. But anyway, just getting excited. I've got 150,000 plus miles on the truck. I just rolled 150 the other day, so I'm excited to kind of breathe some new life into it. I'm getting the new truck, EBGBs. You know, you drive by the dealership and you're like, ooh, look at that. Yeah. But I really want to keep it. I really do. And I think this is going to help me kind of keep it. You know, the tune has, I told you the 2 that I've already done, the 0 in the transmission. It's got a 60 horsepower and 120 horsepower. And unfortunately, I didn't realize it when I ordered this kit. It doesn't have a switch. So I think I just have to select between 120 and 60, download that one, and I guess that's the dominant tune. It overwrites the 0 horsepower tune, and that's what the truck runs from that point on. I don't get to switch between the different tunes. I'm gonna look into that. I've got an email over to the tuner to find out if did I miss something. Is there another piece I have to buy, or you know, whatever. I'm not one of these crazy people that wants to race every single person I see going down the road, so I'm not super excited about a switch. It's not like, you know, the end of the world for me, but it would be kind of cool to be able to flip it on and not have to download a tune every time I want to change a parameter. But we'll see. Like I said, it's a work in progress. I will tell you, it was about $1,600. I think it was $1,600 for the pipes and the Easy Link, which I thought was a pretty good That's a pretty good deal. It was under $2,000. Of course, I'm doing the work myself. I don't plan on paying anybody, so I felt like that was a worthwhile investment. And it is reversible. I can put it back to stock. You know, select the tune that puts it back to the stock parameters. And I'm going to keep the def system and everything that I take out from underneath it. I'll keep all that stuff. I don't plan on cutting any wires. I'll just tuck stuff up. And that way, if I ever want to put the truck back, I can put it back. So yeah, look for, I guess, like a part 2, you know, or a continuation of this video. Alright, thanks. Alright, so this is shooting from the rear of my truck. That's the front of the truck that way. This is that first clamp that you come to starting from the back. And I've been hunting tools. I think I got the right socket. I've sprayed everything with a penetrant just to make it a little easier. I mean, it's not an old truck, a couple years old, whatever, it's 4 years old now. Almost 4. So yeah. I'm just gonna loosen all this shit up here. But there's a bunch of stuff to take off for this def system. Well, there's all kinds. I can't. I'll show you. Alright, so there's the clamp. There's this doohickey. Plugs into that right there. And there's 2 leads. Can't see the other one, kind of right there. So I'm going to leave that connected to the truck and just undo that one, and then undo that. I think I can take that off pretty easily. And then we've got these 3 bolts, and then a whole shitload of stuff here that we got to unhook. Some plugs. And I'm going to try and leave as much of this stuff connected to the truck and just tie it up out of the way. That way, if I ever have to put this back together, it'll be easy to assemble. But there's some on that side too. So stay tuned. Alright. Back pipe is loose. Big piece of junk removed. So now I gotta do this one. These right here, these were a pain in the ass. The easiest way I found to get them off was I lubricated them and then take a pair of channel locks and grab them in the back and here and squeeze, basically get that little tit inside, and then they wiggle off. Whew. That took all my energy though. So all this stuff I'll have to tie up. These are all the, I guess these are pyrometers or something to that, probably temperature, thermocouplers. There was a, let's see, there was one back here too. Didn't catch that till I had the damn thing sitting on my chest. So I had to bang this thing off while it was sitting on my chest, but I think that's an O2 sensor. Kind of looks like one. So I'll tie that up here, put a wire tie so I don't want to hear that going down the road. So hope that didn't make you too dizzy, but that's where we're at. All right, I'm worn out, but it's out of here. That's coming right off the engine, and all the way, it's got to go all the way back. All the way back. Whew. All right. New pipe installed. Just got to tighten this clamp up. This existing exhaust, factory exhaust going in the back. And next up, fire it up. So I've installed the straight pipe, and I've installed a basically a 0 horsepower, no emissions tune. And this is my first drive out. I mean, already it sounds amazing. You guys can pick that up on the audio, but that's pretty amazing. I'm doing about 70 in Mexico. So, you know, my other concern was